In Boston, Dr. Edwin Land claims to have invented a new camera which will revolutionize photography. It all looks quite ordinary, right up to the time he takes a picture.
The history of photography can be traced back several centuries when the camera was called a camera obscura. In 1021, Arab scientist Alhazen described how to construct a dark box using a lens and a pinhole to project an image. In 1604, Johannes Kepler designed the first portable obscura and coined the term camera obscura, which later evolved into camera. But the important discovery that marked the birth of photography was the discovery of photosensitive materials when Johannes Hendrik Schultz noticed that the silver nitrate dimmed when exposed to light. Later in 1826, although Nietzsche and Louis Daguerre invented the daguerreotype, and using the same we obtained the first permanent image in 1826 and the first photograph of the person in 1839. In 1861, Scottish physicist James Clerk Maxwell created a first color image. In 1889, Kodak produced the first flexible transparent film. In 1925, Leica introduced this first successful 35mm camera, compact and easy to carry. It still produced quality photos. All these time photographs had to be developed professionally, a process that often took several days.
In 1943, during a vacation, Edward Land took a photo of his 3-year-old daughter, Jennifer, and then she asked her father why she could not see the photo right away. Land was immediately attracted by the concept of instant photography and began to travel long distances to think about it. In less than 5 years, Polaroid invented and mastered all the necessary new technologies to showcase Edward's instant photography system. Finally, on 21st February 1947, at the meeting of Optical Society of America in New York City, he publicly demonstrated instant photography for the first time. In 1948, Model 95, the first Polaroid camera and its related film, were put on a sale in a department store in Boston, and they were all sold out within a few minutes. Polaroid introduced a series of innovations, reducing early problems and improving picture quality. With the popularity of instant photography, Polaroid has grown rapidly.
Still film camera is made up of three basic elements: optical element, the lens; chemical element, the film; and the mechanical element, the camera body. Its lens is just a curved piece of glass or plastic. Its job is to take the beams of light bouncing off an object and redirect them so they come together to form a real image. When we click the shutter button, the camera quickly switches the mirror out of the way, so the image is directed at the film. The mirror is connected to the shutter timer system, so it stays open as long as the shutter is open. This is why the viewfinder is suddenly blacked out when you take a picture. This design is that we can see exactly as it will appear on the film and can adjust the focus and compose the scene so you get exactly the picture you want. When you take a picture, roller inside the camera, remove one negative from the pack and hold it in front of the camera lens. The negative is held in the position for an instant while the shutter opens, exposing the film to incoming light from the lens. After the required exposure time, the camera rollers eject the negative, allowing you to remove the picture.
Now we will find out what is actually happening inside instant camera film while you are waiting for image to appear. The secret is in the bottom white part of a film actually contains chemical that will develop the photo. The film contains 4 extra layers of chemical on the top that will develop the photo. This layer includes the reagent layer, the image layer, the timing layer and the acid layer. The colored film has 3 layers of silver compound. Top layer is sensitive to blue light, middle layer is sensitive to green light, bottom layer is sensitive to red light. Reagent is made up of opacifier, which are light blockers, alkaline, which are neutralizer, white pigment, which are reflect light. After you take an instant photo and it first come out of the camera, you will notice that it is whitish grey color. What you are seeing is opacifier from the reagent blocking light from the developing photo. As the image slowly appears, that you are actually seeing is the reaction with the acid layer clearing the opacifier. Finally, the photo is completely developed.
In the age of photography, over the decades, Polaroid has been a leader in the photography market, but the company always focused on perfecting its technology and not on innovation. This lack of foresight greatly led to its downfall. Later, digital photography reached the Polaroid technology as it provides clearer image without any delay and can be shared electronically. Moreover, without any film cost.